welcome back to Slime Shine. Today we're going to be making slime. We're going to be making two kinds of slime in this video. You need pink glitter glue for one of the slimes and clear glue for the other slimes. We're going to use this glitter glue and the magical liquid together to make a slime, and then for the clear one we're going to use this clear glue and then the magical liquid, mix it together and put some gold, silver, and some turquoise mixed with some turquoise, a little bit of turquoise green. Let's get started. First, you need to pour the whole glue bottle in. It's so sparkly. Okay, now we're gonna add a fourth cup of magical liquid. It feels like you're pulling off your skin. It's slime. It's not sticking to me anymore. That liquid worked really good. That's a tongue twister. It needs to stay. It's hard to make these bubbles. Once it gets thin like that, that's when you can try to make a bubble. That's when you try, but really fast so you can make a bubble. I need one that besides fate. So we're gonna put this to the side. And now we're gonna make it's gonna be so glittery. We have to go wash off this bowl. I pour in this glue, I'm gonna sprinkle the glitter in. I'm going to sprinkle some gold glitter in. I'm going to do some this glitter. I put a lot of glitter in here. Just all I like it. Magical liquid time. Oh, I love this glitter. Okay, we finally got this one done. try to make a bubble fit. We're going to mix these two together. Swirl it. This is looking so pretty. You can see some pink in it. This looks like mermaid slime. Okay. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you like it. It was really fun making the slime. And don't you like the color it made? Like we can see, so glittery. It could not show how glittery it is on camera, but it's so glittery and human. So thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoy watching us make slime. If you want to do this fun activity, just comment down below. And if you know how to make bubbles or slime, comment down below too. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click that bell. Bye!